My name is Bert Gannon, and I have two houses, and I have installed this radiant barrier from Home Improvement in my houses. One is a 4,000 square foot. We pay $375 to $350 a month during summertime. Right now we are paying only about 100 to 150. The 150 is because my grandkids, they open the door. Now we have a house in Kima also. It's a 3,000 square foot. We usually pay before it's about $275 to $300. When we install the radiant barrier from Home Improvement, we pay right now $90 and we stay there for the whole day. When we were paying $275 to $300, we only stay there for on weekends. That's 2 days a week. Right now we are paying a maximum of $90 maximum or less. Most of the time on winter we pay $45. Therefore, I highly recommend to use the radiant barrier from Home Improvement